back to my channel. I'm Jamie, and today we're gonna do a look with a new friend. Her name is Laura. Her channel will be linked down below. It's called Gold Star Works, and we're kind of just new friends, so get to know about her. I watched some of her recent videos, and I know, for one, she's a really awesome artist. And when I say artist, I mean like she makes art. If you go onto her channel, you can see her art behind her. I wish I was that talented. And then she likes to play with makeup like me, so yeah. So we decided to do a collab, and the collab we're gonna do today is something that I kind of just, it just kind of popped into my head. Basically, I'm gonna do an eye look. Doing like on the top shows my outer personality, which is normally shiny, happy, go lucky, whatever. And then on the bottom we're gonna kind of do blue for like you know, the sadness, maybe sometimes inside. I do have somewhat depression, so I've had it all my life, so it's just a thing that's been with me. So I've learned to deal with it, but you know, some days you never know. And with pandemic going on and everything in the world, it's like some days it's worse. But we shall get right into the look. I promise you this is the last time I'll use this. I'll put it away, but we're gonna use this palette again. My favorite. Can't get enough of it. Because it has a gorgeous yellow in it. So we're gonna do like a yellow on top and like a blue on the bottom. I'm probably gonna do Manchester, I think that's what it's called, all over the eye. And we'll just get straight into it. And I'm just gonna start with that. I like do these videos and then afterwards I'm like, oh, I should have said this, I should have said that, I forgot to say this. So, but anyways, you know, that's just how it is. I'm not going back to refilm the whole video because I forget to say one or two things. I'm just like, opportunity missed. So let's just slap some of that yeller on. Oh, the thing about Laura also, she's from New Zealand, so she's got a completely different time zone, completely different area code, just like my eyebrows, so we're on brand for that. And she's got a wonderful accent. I love her voice. Is that weird? Us Americans are like that. We're like, oh, I love your accent. Australian, New Zealand, girl, I want my accent to be like that, except for my accent's like, hey y'all, because I'm from Nebraska. But I'm gonna go in with Mixer, which is this one right here, and kind of deepen up the crease maybe. I don't know. Oh yeah. Oh gosh, when I put that on, it seems even brighter. So this just kind of signifies like my up forward personality, and then kind of my inside will be on the bottom. It's not meant to be that deep, but it kind of is, you know. So let's see here. This is called Melted. I'm gonna put it on the lid. Like, I'm not lying about this being my favorite palette, especially when it comes to colors. I know probably everybody's sick of hearing it, but when you find something good, girl, you want to tell the world about it, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna put a little bit of this macaroni. Oh, there's my tradition of dropping things. Macaroni. We can't do a video without dropping everything. Heaven's sakes, we can't do that. Well, this down here, my vanity is kind of small because I got a lot of stuff sitting on it, so it's kind of my own fault. But We got a ponytail today because, girl, I didn't wash my hair. And when I put dry shampoo in it, it gets real fluffy. And it's like this big when I put a hairband around it. So we're working with what we got. I think I'm gonna put a little bit of Man-Made in there. Just a little bit, like in the crease. Just a tiny little bit. A little bit of definition. And, sorry. And I'm gonna put a little bit more Manchester up here. It's kind of just, you gotta go back and forth with the colors until the color desired is forth, I guess. And these yellows in this palette are banging, so you'll love them. The whole thing, like, I know, I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna put a little bit more of that shimmer. It's called Melted. Looks pretty. And then I'm gonna take, trying to figure out which blue. I'm gonna take Moody Mitch first, which is this one right here. And I'm gonna put it on the bottom. Just kind of line that bottom with it, and then I'll put some brighter blue over it. And then I might have to go off camera and just do my liner and stuff. I figure if it's not about the liner, I should just go off camera because I'm bad at putting liners on. So I don't know why I started my graphic liner Tuesday, because I'm bad at putting liner on camera. So I'm gonna go in with Mist. That was Moody Mitch and this is Mist, and I'm putting the Mist on the bottom also. That is a vibrant color. I don't know if you can see it too much, but it's got a lot of pack. It packs a lot of punch in it. So, okay, I'm gonna close that for now. Let me take a small brush. Well, no, I'm gonna take kind of a medium sized to big brush to kind of blend it out, because, girl, it needs some help. So far we look crazy, but I think I'm gonna put on the rest of my makeup, then I'm gonna go off screen, and then I'll come back with the finished look. So for sorry about my voice. I like, when I get on, I'm just getting up usually, so my voice is like okay, so I'm gonna use the LA Color Show It Off blush and highlight. I kind of use it as a bronzer and highlight. I'm kind of liking it, and it was only $3. So I use both of these, and I just go in my normal spots I go in. Yeah, after I do this, I'll go off camera, do my liner, and then come back with the final product. And I'm going to take some of that white, let's see, this right here, and I'm just going to, I've been doing this, I don't know if it's good or bad, but putting it right under my eyes. And then I'll take the highlight, put it on. It's not very blinding, but I mean, it's okay. And it was $3, dude. Okay. Okay, so now this is the basis of the look. I'm going to go off camera. I'm going to put on my eyeliner, and I will be right back with the final look. Okay, so I'm back, and this is the finished look. I'm really liking this. I think it looks really pretty. I think this is one of the prettiest looks I've ever done. Dang. Okay, so this is the finished look. So basically, yeah, that's all I got for today. But make sure you go down in the description box and follow Laura's channel. She is a beautiful lady. Go look and see what kind of look she came up with. She'll be down in my description box. Her channel is Gold Star Works. And make sure you follow all my social medias down in the description box also. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.